Hello students, welcome to Anne's classes. Let's do percent and percentage, chapter 7, exercise 7a, page number 91. Now we are starting this chapter, percentage. What's the meaning of percent? Percent means for every 100. And when we write a fraction whose denominator is 100, then we call it percentage. Okay, and we're going to learn to convert from a percent to other numbers, decimal numbers, fractions, and vice versa. So here, let's begin with this first question. So this is a multiple choice type. You have to choose the correct answer from the options given. So in the first question, we have a bag contains 8 white balls and 12 black balls. The percentage of black balls in the bag. So here there are 8 white balls and 12 black. We've been asked to find the percentage of black balls. So let's begin by saying number of white balls. So how many white balls are there? There are 8 white balls. Then the number of black balls, there are 12 black balls. Then the total number of balls, we need to find the total number. So total number means number of white balls plus the number of black balls. When you add it up, you will get the total number, and that is 20. Now we can find the percentage of black balls. So how many black balls are there? 12. So we take 12 divided by 20. So 12 divided by 20. Now here we have to find the percentage, isn't it? Whenever we have to find the percentage, we multiply by 100. We multiply by 100 and put the percentage sign, or you can multiply by 100%. Now this has become multiplication of fractions where we can cancel. So I can cancel this 1 0 and 1 0 here. I can also cancel 2 and 10. 2 5s are 10. Or I can even do this way, as long as you cancel a numerator and a denominator. Now what do we have left? We have 12 into 5. 12 5s are 60, and the percentage of black balls is 60%. So this is option C. So let's take option C. This is our answer, 60%. Question 2. A number is first increased by 20%. Then the resulting number, that is, after you increase, you get a number. That number is called the resulting number. That is decreased by 20%. On the whole, the original number, that is the first number, is it increased or decreased, and by how much? That is the question. So first we have a number, and that is increased by 20. Now we get a new number that is decreased by 20%. Now the question is, we have to find the original number. So let the original number be 100. Okay, we just take the original number to be 100. Then increase in the number will be 20%, because here it says 20% increased, isn't it? So that will be 20%, that is 20 by 100. Whenever you get percent and you have to put it in the form of percentage like this, you write the denominator 100. 20 by 100 into 100. Okay, so here we can cancel the 100 and 100. So the increase in number is 20. So the original number, we have taken it as 100. The increase in number is 20. Now the increased number. So original number plus this will give us the increased number, that is 100 plus 20 will give us the new number, that is 120. So decreased in the number is again 20%, isn't it? So this will be 20 by 100, like 20% I have converted it to 20 by 100 into, now decrease in the number. Now the number is decreased from the increased number, from this number, not from 100, because it says resulting number, isn't it? So that is 120. Now let's cancel here. I can cancel this. I can cancel one more 0 here. So what do I have now? 2 into 12, which is 24. Now what is the new number? That will be 120, that is the new increased number, minus the decrease in that number. That is 120 minus 24, and that is 96. So this is the new number. Now, what is the net decrease? That means what is the total decrease? So now the first number we said let it be 100, and the total net decrease means total decrease minus 96. 100 minus 96 is 4. Now if we have to find the net percent decrease, we are asked to find the percentage, isn't it? So this is what we have to do. Net decrease, that is 4, divided by the original number, which is 100, and multiply this by 100%. So when we multiply this by 100%, we will get the percentage. So here again, we can cancel this and this. So what is left is only 4%. That means this has decreased, isn't it? So it has decreased. So the answer is decrease by 4% or 4% decrease. So this is our answer. Question 3. After paying 20% of the income, a man is left with 160 rupees. So what is the income of the man? That is what we are asked to find. So let's begin by saying, let the income of the man be X. We don't know, but we're going to find out the value of X. So he pays 20% of his income. That means 20% means 20 by 100 of his income, which we have taken as X. So here let's cancel. I can cancel the zeros. I can cancel 2 and 10. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So what do we have here? Here we have 1 into X, which is X by 5. So we have found 20% of his income, that is X by 5. Now, amount left after paying is given to us. Amount left after paying 20% is 160 rupees. This is the amount. Now, amount left after paying means first you have his original income X. From that, if you take away what he paid, this is what you have. That means I have to say X minus X by 5. So how do we get this? This is the income of the man. From that he has paid 20%. Now what is left is 160. So now as you can see, this is subtraction of fractions. So let's work it out like this. So now the LCM will be 5. So here it is 1 into 5. So here also X into 5. X into 5 is 5X minus. Now here it is 5 into 1 and X into 1. X into 1 is X itself. And this is equal to 160. So 5X minus X is 4X. 4X by 5 is equal to 160. So that means we can find the value of 4X by saying 160 into 5. Now let's find the value of X. X is equal to 160 into 5 divided by 4. So you can cancel 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, so 40. Now multiply the numerators. 40 into 5 is 200. So we have found our answer. The answer is 200 and that is option C. So we can tick option C, answer 200 rupees. Question 4. If A plus B plus C is equal to 400, in which A is 40%, B is 45%, then the exact quantity of C in the whole is which one? So we know A, we know B. To find C, all we have to do is add this up and subtract it first. First we have to get, since it's a percentage, we have to subtract it from that percentage. So let's begin. A plus B plus C is 400. That we know. A is 40%, B is 45%. Now to find C, we have to subtract 40 plus 45 from 100 because we're talking about percentage, isn't it? Now 100 minus, so this will be 100 minus 85%. Okay, 100 minus 85 is 15. So we have found C to be 15%. Now they're asking us to find the exact quantity of C and not the percentage of C, isn't it? So C is 15% of the total, which is 400. So 15% means 15 by 100 of is into 400. Now let's cancel what we can. So here there are 2 zeros, here also 2 zeros. Now we just multiply 15 into 4. 15 fours are 60. So the answer is the exact quantity of C is 60. The percentage is 15, but the quantity is 60 and that is option B. So let's take option B. Question 5. A number is decreased by 20%. If the resulting number, that is after decreasing, if the resulting number is 800, what is the original number? So let's begin by saying let the original number be X. We don't know what it is, we are going to find out. Decrease in value is 20%, isn't it? 20% of x. 20% of x, that means 20 by 100 into x. So here let's cancel. I can cancel this. I can cancel 2 and 10 also. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So 1 into x is x, and in the denominator we have 5. So decrease in value is x by 5. Next, the resulting number is given to us, it's 800. That means the original number minus the decrease in value will give me 800. So now I need to find this. So here again it's subtraction, so we have to find the LCM. So here it is 5, and again here 1 into 5. So here we multiply by 5. 5 into x is 5x minus 5 into 1. So x into 1 is x. This is equal to 800. Now 5x minus x is 4x. 4x by 5 is 800. So now we can find the value of 4x first. That will be 800 into 5. We have transposed it. Then now to find the value of x. This is 800 into 5 divided by 4. Again after transposing. Cancel. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 1, 2. 2 zeros. Now multiply. 5 into 200 is 1000. So this is our answer. The resulting number was 800. The original number was 1000. So that is our answer. That is option C, 1000. Question 2, evaluate. Under this, the first one is given like this: 55% of 160 plus 25% of 50 minus 36% of 150. So let's expand each one, simplify each one separately. So here 55% of 160, that means 55 by 100, of means into 160 plus. Now the next part. So this is the first part. We have it here. Then we have the second part here. That is 24%. 24 by 100 of is into 50. And then we have the third part. Now here this minus. So here we have 36%, which is 36 by 100 of is into 150. Now let's simplify all this. So here, as you can see, this is multiplication of fractions. We can cancel. So I'll cancel this 1 0 and 1 0 here. Then I can cancel 10 and 55 both by 2, both by 5. 5 2s are 10 and 5 11s are 55. Now I can cancel 2 and 16. So that is 2 1s are 2 and 2 8s are 16. So now here we just have to multiply this. We get 11 into 8 is 88. So now plus, let's go to the next one. So here again we have 24 by 100 into 50. We can cancel 1 0. So this 0 and this 0 is cancelled. I can cancel 5 and 10. So this is 5 1s are 5 and 5 2s are 10. Now I can cancel 24 and 2 both by 2. So 2 1s are 2 and 2 12s are 24. Now I just have to multiply. 12 1s are 12. So I have 12 here minus. Let's go to the third one. Here I can cancel the zeros again. So I cancel 1 0 here and 1 0. I can cancel 10 and 15 by 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. Then I can cancel 36 and 2. So 2 into 18 is 36. So 18 here, and 18 into 3 is 54. So now what do I have? 88 plus 12 minus 54. 88 plus 12 is 100. And we have to do 100 minus 54. And how much is 100 minus 54? 46. So answer here is 46. Question 2 is also similar to that. So what we have to do is first work on this, minus this, and then this. So 9.3% means 9.3 by 100, of means into, and then we have 500. So this is the first part. So we'll put it within brackets. Minus 4.8% means 4.8 by 100 of is into 250 minus the last one 2.5%, that is 2.5 by 100 into 240. Now we have to simplify all these and subtract. So here let's see what we can do. Here I can cancel these two zeros. So when I cancel 100, there are two zeros here and there are two zeros. I just have to multiply 9.3 into 5. So let's do that. 9.3 into 5 is 93 into 5. 5 threes are 15, carry 1, 5 nines are 45, plus 1, 46, and put 1 point. So that becomes 46.5. So this is 46.5. Let's take the next one. Here also I can cancel one zero first. So I'll cancel this and this. Then now I have 10 and 25, which I can cancel with 5. So 5 twos are 10 and here 5 fives are 25. Now I can cancel 4.8 and 2. 2 twos are 4, 0.24s are 8. So 2.4 into 5. So 2.4 into 5 is 24 into 5. 24 into 5 is 120 and there is one decimal place. So here 12. 12.0 or simply 12. So minus 12 minus the last part here 2.5 by 100 into 240. I can cancel the zeros first. So let me cancel this 0 and this 0. Now I can cancel 10 and 24 both by 2. So this becomes 2 5s are 10 and 2 12s are 24. Now I can cancel 2.5 and 5. I just have to say 5 ones are 5 and 5 into 0.5 is 2.5. Now I have to multiply 0.5 into 12. So 0.5 into 12 or 5 into 12. 5 12s are 60 and then there is a point. So put a point, it becomes 6.0 or simply 6. So now I need to subtract these three. So that is 46.5 minus 12. What do I get? 0.5. So here I have 5. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3, 34.5. Now I need to minus 6 from it. Okay, the third one. So this is 0.5 and here I need to borrow. So 14 minus 6 is 8 and I have 2. So what do I have here? I have 28.5 and this is our answer. Question 3, the first one. A number is increased from 125 to 150. Find the percentage increase. So let's begin by saying the original value. That means the original number was 125. From there it became 150. So the original value is 125 and the new value is 150. What is the increase? Increase is 150 minus 125, which is easy to find out. It's 25 because the original was 125 and the new is 150. So the increase is 25 and to find the increase percent, we should say increase by the original value. So what is the increase? Increase is 25. The original value is 125. And if we have to find the percent, we have to multiply by 100%. So here also multiply this by 100%. So we can cancel now whatever we can here. Now 25 ones are 25 and 25 into 5 is 125. Now I can cancel 5 and 100. 5 ones are 5 and here 5 into 20 is 100. So what do I have here? 20%. So we have found the increase percent and that is 20%. Question 2. A number is decreased from 125 to 100. It's come down now. So we have to find the percentage decrease. Okay. So we start by writing the original value. The original value is 125. Then there is a new value, that is it's now become 100. That means there has been a decrease and the decrease is 125 minus 100, which is 25. Now to find the decrease percent, we say decrease by the original value into 100% because we're finding the percentage. So how much is the decrease? The decrease is 25. And how much is the original value? The original value is 125 and we multiply this by 100. So again when we cancel, we have 25 into 5 which is 125 and 5 into 20 is 100 and this is the percentage. So here we have 20%. So the decrease percent is 20%. So this is our answer. Question 4. Find the first one. 45 is what percent of 54? 45 is what percent of 54? So in this case, we have to say 45 by 54. 45 by 54 into 100%. So here we need to work out. So let's simplify. Now 54 and 100 are both divisible by 2. So we can say 2 into 27 and 2 into 50. Okay. Now here we can again cancel 45 and 27 by 3. So here I can say 3 nines are 27 and 3 into 15 is 45. Again I can cancel. So this can be 3 threes are 9 and 3 fives are 15. That's it. We can't cancel anything more. So now what do we have? In the numerator we have 5 into 50. So 5 into 50 is 250 and in the denominator we have 3. So let's divide 250 by 3. 3 eights are 24 minus 10. 3 threes are 9 minus 1. Now we can write this as a mixed number, that is 83 1 by 3, and because it's percent we have to put a percentage sign. So this is our answer, 83 1 by 3%. And what have we answered? 45 is what percent of 54? 45 is 83 1 by 3% of 54. So this is our answer. Second question, 2.7 is what percent of 18? Just like this. So we say 2.7 by 18 into 100%. We can cancel 2.7 and 18 both by 9. So I can say 9 twos are 18. Now 9 threes are 27, but this is 2.7. So 9 into 0.3. Now I can cancel 100 and 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 into 50 is 100. Now all I have to do is multiply 0.3 into 50. That is 50 into 3. 50 into 3 is 150, and since here we have 0.3, there is one decimal place, we have to put a decimal place here. So this is 15, or the final answer is 15%. So this is our final answer. Question 5, the first one. 252 is 35% of a certain number. We have to find that number. So since we don't know the number, let's say let the number be x. Now 35% of x. Let's write that. 35% of x, because here it says of a certain number, is how much? It's given to us 252. So now let's try and solve this. 35% means 35 by 100 of is into x is equal to 252. Now we can find the value of x. Now I can either reduce these two here itself, or I can take it to the other side and reduce. Now 35 by 100, when it goes to the other side, it becomes 100 by 35. It's a reciprocal. So 252 into, write the reciprocal, 100 by 35. Now here I can cancel 35 and 100 both by 5. So let's try that. 5 sevens are 35 and 5 into 20 is 100. I can also cancel 252 by 7. Okay, so 7 ones are 7 and here 7 threes are 21 and there is 4 left, 42. 7 sixes are 42. So that's 36 into 20 now. We have 36 into 20. So now we can easily find the value of x by multiplying those two. 36 into 2 is 72. So 20 means there's one more zero. So what is our answer? They are asking us to find the number, and the number is 720. Question 2. If 14% of a number is 315, find the number, just like the previous one. So let this number be x. Now 14% of x. So let's write that. 14% of x is equal to how much? 315. So let's simplify this. 14% means 14 by 100. Of is into, and x we don't know. This is equal to 315. So now we're going to find the value of x by saying x is equal to 315 into, I'm going to transpose 14 by 100 to the other side. So that's going to become 100 by 14. So here also let's cancel what we can. We can cancel 315 and 14 by 7. 7 2s are 14. Now here 31. 7 4s are 28. So what is left? 3, 35. So 7 5s are 35. So I have 45 into 100 by 2. I can cancel 100 and 2. 2 1s are 2, and 2 into 50 is 100. Now I have to multiply 45 into 50. So 45 into 5. 45 into 5 is 225. Into 50 we have to add one more zero. So we have found the value of x, and that is 2250. Question 6. Find the percentage change when a number is changed from 80 to 100. So percentage change means this change will be either increase or decrease. So if you look at the question, it has changed from 80 to 100. That means there is an increase. So we have to find percentage increase in this number. Okay, so let's write down the steps. Original value. The original value is 80. The new value is 100. So what is the increase? 100 minus 80, which is 20. And now we are asked to find the increase percent. So that will be increase percent is increase by the original value into 100%. So what is the increase here? 20, and the original value is 80 into 100%. So we have to cancel whatever we can. I can cancel this and this, and I can cancel 2 and 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. I can cancel 4 and 100. 4 into 25 is 100. So 4 1s are 4, and 4 into 25 is 100. So here, as you can see, there's nothing else left. We only have ones here. So 25% is the increase percent. 25%, and this is our answer. So here this is the increase percent. 25% increase. Question 2, we have to find the percentage change. So let's write what's given to us. So the original value is given to us. This time the original value is 100. What is the new value? The new value is 80. So as you can see, it has come down, isn't it, from 100 to 80. That means there is a decrease. And what is the decrease? 100 minus 80 is the decrease, and that is 20. So now that we have found the decrease, we can find the decrease percent by saying decrease percent is decrease by the original value into 100%. So what is the decrease? The decrease is 20. The original value is 100, and now we multiply it by 100%. So here we can cancel. We can cancel this 100 and this 100. So what is left is only 20. So here we have 20%. This is our answer, and this is the decrease percent. So you need to make that clear, because in the question it's only said percentage change. So you need to say this is the decrease percent, that is 20%. Question 6. Third one. Again the percentage change when a number is changing from this to this. So let's write the original value is 6.25 and the new value is 7.50. So this has increased, isn't it? From 6 to 7 it has increased. So the increase will be, we have to subtract the 2 and find out 7.50 minus 6.25. Let's see. So here this is 4 and 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. 7 minus 6 is 1. 1.25. So the increase is 1.25. So what will the increase percent be? Increase by the original value into 100%. So what is the increase? The increase is 1.25. The original value is 6.25 and we multiply this by 100. So here, if you have to remove this point, we have to multiply by 100. It becomes 625. Here this becomes 125. So this is 600, 100, 125 in the numerator, in the denominator 625, and we multiply this by 100. Here we can cancel these two. 125 into 5 will give us 625. So this is 1 and this is 5. I can cancel 5 and 100. 5 into 20 is 100. So here into 100%, we have 100% here, isn't it? Here also it's 100%. So what do we have? 1 into 20, which is 20. So we have 20%. Again, this is an increase percent. So let's write our final answer as increase percent is 20%, and this is our answer. Question 7. An auctioneer charges 8% for selling a house. Who is an auctioneer? He's a person who's in charge of auctioning something. So here he's in charge of auctioning a house or selling a house, and he charges a certain amount for it, and he charges 8%. Now, if the house is sold for so much, 2,30,500 rupees, find the charges of the auctioneer. So what is given to us? The selling price of a house is given to us, and this is rupees 2,30,500, and the charges of the auctioneer. He charges 8% of the amount, that is 2,30,000. So we need to find out how much this is. So 8% means 8 by 100 of is into and then 2,30,500. Now first thing we can do is we can cancel the zeros. So here let's cancel the 2 zeros here and the 2 zeros here. Now we have to multiply 8 into 2,305. So when you multiply these two, you get 18,440, 18,440, and this is rupees. So this is the amount that the auctioneer will get if he sells a house for this amount. So these are his charges. Question 8. Out of 800 oranges, 50 are found rotten. Find the percentage of good oranges. So there are some bad oranges. Now we need to find how many good oranges there are first, and then find the percentage of good oranges. So let's write what's given to us. Total number of oranges is given to us as 800. Number of rotten oranges is given to us as 50. So we have to find the number of good oranges. So if we subtract the total number of oranges from and take away the rotten oranges from that, we will find the number of good oranges. 800 minus 50 is 750. So we have 750 good oranges. But the question is, find the percentage of good oranges. So that will be, to find the percentage, we say the number of good oranges, 750, by the total number of oranges, that is 800, into 100%. So whenever you have to find percentage, you must multiply by 100%. Now let's cancel what we can. I can cancel 2 zeros here and 2 zeros here. So now what do I have? I have 750 by 8. I can reduce it or I can divide it straight away. So let's divide 750 by 8. So 8 9s are 72 minus, here we have 3 0. Now 8 3s are 24. Minus 30 minus 24 is 6. So what do I have here? I have 93 6 by 8%, or now remember this proper fraction 6 by 8 can be reduced to the lowest term. Both are divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. So what do we have here? 93 3 by 4 percent. So this is the percent of good oranges. So we will stop with this for now, children. In our next video, we will continue with the remaining questions. Thank you, children.